Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Character Modeling. That's correct. Welcome to the end of week 2. That's right. So we're at the end of week 2. Just giving you some heads up on some things to help out with your vertices and your extrusions when you're creating your model for your head. Just kind of an intro start for it all, so that way we can kind of get a head start and really get some really good work into it. I hope everybody's doing really well. I'm sorry if my sinuses are really bothering me. It's just a really tough morning for me. However, I figured I could get into a little bit and really talk about just vertices, extrusion, kind of give you some heads up on some things and go from there so everybody's ready to go. So let's do that real quick. Hope everybody's having a wonderful weekend. Hope everything's good. So yeah, so vertices are really how you're going to model your head and how to really like build the planes and the different elements onto your model. And vertices are really a point in space. They define the structure of other sub-objects, edges, polygons, different corners that make up the poly object. And that's how you create your planes that create your polygons. And when you move or edit these vertices, the connected geometry is affected as well. So be careful when you move a vertice or like change or edit it. It could possibly affect everything else around. So you got to be careful how you adjust them, and that's really key. Now, another thing to keep in mind with manipulating vertices can create a lot of different planes and dimensions based on X, Y, Z coordinates. And another thing that a lot of things we think about is the 5 methods of inverting vertices. So when you're doing that, take a look at the X, Y, Z coordinates. And also, you can use a lot of tools to really help really make those vertices perfect and really kind of connect them properly. So you have the insert vertex tool, the connect tool, the quick slice, the slice plane, and the Tesla tool. All these have really good ways to really work the vertices out on your model. So definitely try some of these out and see how they work. I like the connect tool and the slice plane, especially when I want to slice a whole plane in half. That kind of helps out sometimes too and create a vertice through there. So it's just a lot of things that work. So just kind of find the tools that work well for the right things that you want. Now, a lot of times with extrusion, with 3D head modeling, we can either force out a lot of things too. You can either thrust or force out. For some reason, my video is not working. Why is it doing that? Hey. Play. Well, yeah. So, yeah, a lot of times, so you can also do extrusion with head modeling as well, so keep that in mind. So when you're trying to extrude, a lot of times you can change in like the actual height or depth of the actual plane. When you try to do that, just be careful that you're not deforming the other planes around it. So that's a lot of things. Extrusion helps because then the plane stays there and you can kind of expand it to add more geometry to it. And not only that, you can also add some more definition. It kind of helps with like facial features, bumps, scars. These are good ways to do deformation a lot of times. So extrusion is a good complement to that. There's also diffusion too that kind of helps out too. So yeah, if you have any questions about these techniques, let me know. I got your back. Now, do keep in mind, you do have your reply post for your discussion due today. You also have your first pass of your head assign, your bust, your character bust, due tomorrow. So please make sure that's turned in. Now, no, it's a checkpoint. Doesn't have to be fully done. Just looking for about 30% to be done. I should have my model here, a good portion done as well. So I'm getting kind of far. I'm making some mistakes on it, but that's okay. But yeah, if you have any questions about it, let me know. Got your back. Other than that, that's pretty much all I got for you this week. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, I'm here for you. Other than that, that's all I got. Be safe, have fun, enjoy. Do keep an eye on your due dates. I'm still missing some assignments from week 1, so please make sure to get those to me. Contact me as soon as possible. Let me know what's going on. Other than that, that's pretty much it. Be safe, have fun, have a great weekend, enjoy. I'll see you later. Have a good one.